attempt to go up this cross thing, the pilgrimage. Oh. Okay, that's good. So we are in the half part of this pilgrimage staircase, but I believe it's gonna be worth it. How do you feel?
Exhausted.
Yeah.
Halfway.
We were just here at this like pit stop place because it's raining and it's not really quite. It's really harder to go up the stairs when the stairs are soaking wet. So we have to be extra careful and slow. So let's go back. Let's do this. In moments like this, I sometimes question my fitness abilities. So what I do is I take 3 or 4 steps so I don't have to take every step. Oh my god, I'm almost here. We're near the top. Hi guys.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
When you get to the topmost, there is a canteen area where you can buy water, and there's also a comfort room. And apparently there is the front side and this is the back side. Now we enter this place to see what is inside or how the front looks like. There's the entrance and
Ganito, singaras na matay ka. Tapos ganito lang. Ito yung time. Ito yung ano? Dito. Nasa langit ka na.
oh my god! Holy sh! I can't. Sleeping.
Oh my god!
Wait, help me! Sayang, hindi ko na-feel ko. Na-feel ko na yun eh.
Hindi ka pwede siguro sa langit. Pinapababa ka.
Okay, so good afternoon. We have a pretty late start in the vlog for today. Okay, we are now in Antique and we are in Vista Veranda Resort. So this resort is, I'm not even sure if it's open, but apparently we're the only ones in here. We're gonna take a couple of hours here, swim a bit, and then head back to Iloilo. Swimming around the beach and just exploring more. So I'm gonna show you this resort. So I just finished wearing my swimwear, so I'm wearing it now so I can just take it off later. I'm now in the pool area. In the pool area, here are couches or like places you can lie down into. This is the pool area. Pool, seats, the bathroom, and then so when you enter, you see that here's the, I think this is like the function hall or something. You see the pool area first. And then from the pool area, there are tables and chairs where you can have lunch or dinner. And then the main beach is where we're gonna be heading. As you can see, there's still construction going on, so I feel like this place is still not yet done. There are already huts, and like as you can see, those are rooms, and the pool area is already done. So I think you can come by here, but it's not yet totally done yet. So let's go down to the beach part.